I recently used this picture to talk to my son about the difference between equality and fairness. Here, the boxes are equal, but the view is very different. Here, the children's difference is acknowledged. The boxes have been rearranged. Everyone has the same view. Their heads are at the same level. Most of us are protected by equality policies, but I try to look beyond the policies, beyond basic equality, to see how things actually work in practice. I want to know how we get everyone's heads at the same level. Coming back to the metaphor of the children on the boxes, I study the barriers, the wall blocking their view, the varying heights of the children. And I study the tools we use to get around those barriers, the boxes and how we arrange them. I do this by talking to people who might not easily have access to politicians and decision makers. In my work, I've explored how ethnic minorities can best have a say in the way policies which affect their lives are made. I talk to people with dementia and their carers to see how they could have more control in relationships with their doctors. And I met with former armed services personnel to see if their services are meeting their needs. In other words, I'm interested in research which takes the problems we talk about down the pub and around the dinner table and translates them into evidence which can be used to make our lives better.